Hello everyone, it's April Storm here. I am back with day 7 of the hashtag 7 Days Summer Digi 2021. We are on our final day and it's been amazing. So I want to show you what I have created. What I did was I had made a waterfall. I made it too large, so I cut it in half. And now I have 2 waterfalls. It is not mounted to the page yet, so I'm still trying to tweak it, but I've got the base of it, and I want to show you what I did. So this first one, as you can see, I have taken the pages and turned them all into the little cards for the waterfall. I took Dear Julie Julie's 2 long strips and cut them into cards, and Cara's were already in the size of cards. So in order to make everything the same size, I backed it with cardstock. We've got the strawberry tart and strawberries, all the pretty lovelies on each side. And like I said, I am not finished with this. This is my first waterfall experience. I am tweaking it, but I just wanted to show you these beautiful cards. It just really turned out brilliantly and beautifully. So the idea is, of course, that everything is gonna work and pan out beautifully, but no, I really don't know if it's going to, but I'm hoping. This girl has hope. This one seems to be flowing a little better, so I've got a little bit of work to do, but I really wanted you to see my big bright idea with these very inspiring digitals. Now I'm going to finish this up and finish up my journal as a whole. Finish putting the pages in the way I want, sewing it up, making a cover, and getting all of these goodies that I have made over the 7 days and getting it in here. Oh, it's going to be chunky. Look at all that beautiful stuff. I mean, it just tickles me pink that I have created a journal in 7 days. It usually takes me, I don't know, a month or so. And of course, I'm not counting my eggs before they hatch because I still have to finish, but it's been 7 days and I've got all the ephemera that I could want. And I'm excited. So, if you want to participate, even though the 7 days of summer have passed, they will be here regardless. All you have to do is go to the 2 Etsy links that I have in the description below and buy your digitals. And don't forget that they have companion kits. Dear Julie Julie's kit, Sweet Summer, is going to give you gorgeous pages like these that you can print off and add. And then Cara Brandon has her summer kit full of pages like these that you can print off, and I have put them together. And in Dear Julie's shop, she has a kit called Tiny Houses, and it has this background image here in it, and it really backs well with a lot of the photos. So if you want a background image, and then I put Cara Brandon's beautiful flower image on the backs of some of these, and I mean, you just got options. So go to their stores, buy you some kits, print them off, have some fun. Go to the hashtag 7-Day Summer Digi 2021, links in the description below, and click on that and see what everybody has made. We are talking about some seriously amazing artists playing along. You don't want to miss it. I have a ton of videos I've got to catch up on because I've got a few days off work. So get your kit, watch the videos, have some fun, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!